Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to announce a special giveaway. I'm giving away the complete After Effects project file of my Golden Galaxy outro. This is a powerful remake of the original outro made by Citrix and Skinny using Node and Toji. It took me 2 to 3 days of hard work to create this outro. I worked day and night, made several renders, and checked everything again and again to make it look perfect. The entire project was made in After Effects 2025. It is clean, well organized, and fully customizable. If you want this outro project file, it's very simple. We need 1,500 likes on this video. As soon as we reach 750 likes, I will give away the complete project file to everyone. So right now, smash the like button as hard as you can. Break the like button, and please share this video with all your friends. The more you share, the faster we can reach 750 likes. Here's the preview. This giveaway is only possible because of your support. So don't forget, like and share this video right now. Stay till the end and keep supporting. Let's hit 750 likes together.